Kiringai Kamau, a director of Ycenter responsible for the African region.
We are here at the University of Nairobi
creating and delivering a program around UN SDGs
to create open data systems,
drive open data agenda in the agricultural space,
to solve the problem of world hunger.
We are partnering with Gordon Hivos.
We are solving the problem of supply chain inefficiencies,
low crop production, basically for household farmers,
youth unemployment,
irregular vegetable supply in Kenya.
Due to gender inequality and inequity,
I'm advocating for sustainable development goals.
Urge the women to come out to participate fully, not just in farming, but even in the learning process.
Peer-to-peer learning video platform for farmers.
Create an open data where everybody can able to access the information.
Creatively thinking about solutions that will make Africa a better place.
We are the change makers.
I think we should use the women to spread the gospel of achieving the sustainable development goals.
One thing I want to say is that Africa itself has a solution for its own problems.
My experience with Ycenter.
My experience with Ycenter has been amazing.
It was brilliant.
It was amazing.
Design thinking.
Design thinking.
It was beyond my expectation.
It opened up my mind.
Very much of experiential learning.
An eye-opener.
An eye-opener.
And realize that I have so many ideas that I needed to tap on.
You love it when you come on board.
Really life-changing and life-transforming.